All right, you guys made it to the welcome page for Biology 125. So here's a little introduction to the course. I'm going to go over what the Canvas looks like for you guys on our welcome page here. If you would, please read through these sections here. And then these icons down at the bottom, they are live links, so you can click on them to see the course overview, the modules, some information about me, your instructor, Peter Cross, and also take a self-quiz to see if you are prepared for some online learning this semester. Also at the bottom of the welcome page, I have a few navigation links for you that will take you to and show you how to edit your user profile. Also a link to show you which browsers does Canvas support the best. Google Chrome works best with Canvas, and also some online student readiness tutorials to make sure that you're up to speed and you are ready to take on the challenge of learning online this semester. So this is what Canvas looks like if you've never been on it before. On the left-hand side, you will always have this menu that will take you to different spots on Canvas. This one has a few more icons than yours probably does because I'm in the instructor view, but you will have certain buttons over here that you will be able to click on. So if you click on the modules here, this is where we just came from, the start here, here we go module. So if you click on that, I'll show you that's our welcome page. So we'll use this link down here. We'll go to the learner modules, and this is going to take us back to all the modules. And so your first thing, the first week you have a few, there's my son there in the background. You'll probably hear him often. In this first week, you're going to have 5 mandatory check-in assignments. And if you do not complete these assignments, then you will be what's called a no-show, and you will be dropped from the class. So it's really important that you take care of these and complete these 5 assignments. So what you're going to want to do in this first week is you're going to come into the modules and you're going to begin with the Getting Started module overview, and you're going to read through this information here. And here are the learning outcomes for this first module. Here are actually the 5 things that you need to do and their due dates. And you're just going to work your way through the introductory module. Here's a instructor bio module. You can read about me and watch this video. I'll tell you a little bit about my background. And you can read through these pages, and here's our office hours. And so each one of these pages actually has a title out in the modules section. So here's the office hours, and I have all the links for the Zoom office hours and the days they will be taking place. They take place every Monday and Wednesday from the beginning of the semester all the way till the end in December 12th. So if you go back out to the modules here, you are going to see all these different pages that you need to work through. So student teacher office hours, that's just where we came from. How to be successful in this course. This next section is student support and resources. So getting started with using Canvas, student support services, some quick links I provided for you, some online learning resources, some tech services in case you are having problems and issues with your computer and email and or Canvas. Here is a discussion board for frequently asked questions, a document about how to use something called GeniusScan. And so you're going to work your way through this first module, and then down here are your 5 assignments that are mandatory check-in assignments for the first week. If these assignments are not completed by their due date, all of them, then you are considered a no-show and you will be dropped from the class. So this entire semester will be set up in this fashion where you have a large chunk like this here, the getting started chunk, and within that chunk are going to be modules, and within those modules are going to be pages and assignments and quizzes that you will work through. So this should be enough to get you started in the first week. I'll provide another video again when we start the second week and we begin our first large unit called evolution.